Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu will give out this new token and tell how to make $1 million in 2 months. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of making Shiba Inu, said that they plan to add a new stablecoin to the group. Shirahoshi has shared the most recent information about the stablecoin and its community. In this video, we'll talk about how Shiba Inu will release this new token and show how to make money and become a millionaire in 2 months. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Let's find out what Shiba Inu is up to on July 18. Today, the whole cryptocurrency market is going up, and more defensive and higher beta tokens are moving up almost at the same time as meme tokens. The price of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin goes up by 15% and 6.5% in 24 hours. People often look at these tokens to see where the market might be going based on how interested regular investors are. Shiba Inu surge seems to be linked to a recent vote by the community to lower mining rewards, along with the planned Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium for the network. Shiba Inu continued to trade close to these levels, despite earlier gains, after yesterday's rise, which sent prices to their highest level in 2 months. The meme coin hit an hourly high of $1,243 on Tuesday, which is just a little bit less than the peak of over 1,260 cents on Monday. Shib hit its long-term resistance level at 1,240 cents, which hadn't been broken since mid-May, when it moved today. After the crash today. Earlier, bulls went bearish and decided to get out of their positions to keep the profits they had made so far. When these traders looked at the chart, the 14-day RSI was getting close to its barrier at 60.70. Since Shib was selling near 2,500 cents in March, price growth hasn't gotten any better than this point yet. Shiba Inu has made waves that are mind-blowing, and CoinCap says it will be the most famous meme coin and the most viewed coin in 2021. Shiba Inu came out in May 2021, and buyers made more than 40 times their money in the first few months. Many crypto users on Reddit called it the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu gives its investors passive income through choices for staking that make money. With the new Shibarium blockchain, SHIB token owners and users will be able to use the SHIB token as a payment method at some crypto shops. Token can get cheap access to new ways to trade. Now, let's get back to what we were talking about. On Wednesday, the lead developer of the famous meme-based cryptocurrency Shib hinted at plans to add a decentralized stablecoin, a reward token called Treat, and a collectible card game to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In a Medium blog post, an anonymous developer named Satoshi Kusama said that independent developers are working on a decentralized stablecoin called Shib, which seems to avoid the problems that other moonshots have had. This is likely a reference to the billion-dollar Terra/Luna collapse. The blog post said that the team plans to launch it later in 2020 and will share more information when it is closer to its final form. The blog post said that the planned reward token for the Shib metaverse will be tied to the Shiba collectible card game. The token will also help keep Shiba Inu stablecoins' value stable. Without going into detail about how that would work, the developers are also holding back a small number of treats. During the recent booming cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu gained a strong following among people who had supported the idea for a long time. It launched a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap and ecosystem tokens called Bone and Leash, with plans to turn the meme coin into a crypto ecosystem. As part of this plan, developers are working on the ecosystem's own Layer 2 protocol called Shibarium, which would support the deployment and development of native apps and include a gas token called Bone. The blog post says that the team is also making a metaverse project with 100,000 land plots as virtual real estate. Shiba Inu, a rare card game that is still being made, will live in Shiba Metaverse. Shiba Inu SHIB token prices didn't change after the news came out, but they went up almost 50% in a week in June when rumors about its Shibarium protocol started to spread. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Swap's Bone piece went up 6% and Leash went up 5%. Shiba Inu's lead engineer Satoshi Kusama found that a large Shib burn needed one important thing. And the condition is that the burn has to be done with the help of the whole community. Shiba Inus have made Kusama think that it might take some time for the moment to be just right. The rate at which project leaderships lose tokens has sped up, and over the past week, 1.2 billion tokens have been lost from the meme coin. Shiba Inu is being burned all the time, and there are a total of 557,410.3 trillion in circulation. Shib Barnes says that Shiba Inu tokens have been destroyed since the burn process was put in place. The last week went by very quickly. 1.2 billion tokens were taken out of circulation and sent to wallets that were no longer working. This cuts down on the number of joke coins that are out there. Based on data from Whale Stats, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has become one of the smart contracts that the 5,000 biggest Ethereum whales use the most. The joke coin's price went up by 8% when the price of Shiba Inus went back up. After this happened, whales bought a lot of Shiba Inu coins, which made Shib one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies in whale wallets. Buyers are betting that Shiba Inu will play a big part in the coin market coming back to life. The strength of the project is that it is trying to make an umbrella site for the crypto community. Shib gives you a faster network, easier deals, more ways to work together, simple use, useful services, and easy access. Shiba Inu is a digital asset that has the draw of meme coins and the usefulness of altcoins. This makes it a good choice for both buyers and businesses. Shibarium Layer 2 coming blockchain is something that makes buyers very excited. The community recently decided to change the way bones are made so that each person will only get one bone. This was done to make sure the Shibarium environment would last. Shib has also been being burned at full speed. Stubborn says that in the last 24 hours, more than 767 million Shib coins were sent to dead wallets. So far, over 104 deals have burned about 1.2 billion Shib tokens. Coins, which is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the Philippines, also wants to add Shib to its website, but this has been put off. A tweet from July 13 showed that the trade will happen very soon. Experts say that the cryptocurrency's short-term spikes look good for bulls. The value of the Shib duo has been stuck since the last week of June, when it broke through the hurdles that had been stopping it from going down. A trend that has been going up since the middle of June has also helped the pair. These small changes in price show that crypto is going slowly toward a more stable future. For a long time, Shiba Inu were just seen as something to collect because they didn't do anything useful. Cryptocurrency is one of the most volatile investments on the market because it responds to even small changes in how the market feels. But it is very clear that Shiba Inu are very driven by the fear of losing out. Investors know that the value of the token could go up by a lot in the future. So, they don't want to miss out on the chances to make money when the cryptocurrency's market starts moving in a bullish direction again. So, that's it for today.